Introducing the Genesis Lafayette, where modern comfort meets vibrant city living. This isn't just a place to stay, it's the start of something extraordinary. Step into a world of effortless convenience and style. Whether you choose a one-bedroom or a two-bedroom apartment, each fully furnished unit boasts central heating and expansive storage closets. But the Genesis is more than just a place to live, it's a lifestyle. Take advantage of the walking bridge for direct access to UL Lafayette's campus or break a sweat in the 24/7 fitness center. Cool off in the sparkling swimming pool, then unwind in the courtyard cabana by the fire pit. Need to focus? The resident-exclusive clubhouse and business center have you covered. Perfectly positioned in the heart of Lafayette, the Genesis places you within easy reach of top universities such as University of Louisiana and the city's best entertainment spots. Need a coffee break? Cafe Cottage is just around the corner. Ready to explore? Public transport links make getting around a breeze. Your new beginning starts here. The Genesis Lafayette, where convenience, community, and comfort come together. Visit amberstudent.com today and step into a lifestyle that inspires.